Yes, in the voice of Diligence. And he's basically asking you to show love while he's here. Wait until this guy is singing all these songs I miss you. He's showing them all love right here. Show me love right. He's here right now. This time when he's asking you for love and acceptance, right? Good evening to everybody. My name is DJ Rick. This is the Upnlive show, all courtesy of WORLMAGTV. We got to our very far right. We got the beautiful lady. She go by the name of T. She's half sick. She's half standing. I don't know. Well,
I'm here.
She's here and she's kicking and she's alive. We have a very, very special guest all the way from Jamaica for the very first time inside the UK on Flames Radio for the very first time. Welcome to the cold. Welcome to London.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, you know.
Give thanks. This is an artist go by the name of Diligence, people. Diligence, welcome to England, you know. Well, you like the weather so far? That's the first question.
Well, right now it'll beat me bad, you know, Rick. But I don't know, we give thanks still, because we're there, we are going to do the right thing, right? We are going to get some music out there. I know some of their flames and also the fire up.
Yeah.
Blazing.
And this is one thing I want to confirm for you before we go any further. Are you actually from Ocherius, or are you just frequent Ocherius? Because I see your videos and you're always in Ochi.
Well, you all go on and know. He's a youth come from out of the bush, you know. We up in that one place named Prickly Pole, you know, next to Bob
We know
Marley,
Prickly
you know
Pole, yeah, I know where it is.
But he's a youth now with the watch serious most of my musical journey.
Okay.
So everybody knows say once I'm link up with Diligence and watch it thing. If I go watch it and say Diligence, everything go on.
You know, I feel good because here, me living here in the UK for the last 10 years, it's very rare that I see anybody from my side of town. Everybody always come from Kingston 13. Everybody come from Montego Bay. But nobody comes from Ochi.
Well, you know, I watch it time now, you know.
That's right.
Same time,
see
we
it?
rise up in music, you know. So big up man like Progress, big up Shakespeare, and the whole of them, the Zaga, Diligence. And we are conquer the thing, you know, man. Yeah,
Big
man.
up to Progress, you know.
Yeah, man, I hit one of my artists.
Progress is one of the realest youths I ever meet in the music. And I met him the last time I went to Jamaica, and he was very, very humble. And I think he's going to go far as well.
Yeah, man, good youth, man.
Good youth. T, who do you know from Ochi? You know anybody from Ochi? Are you a Kingston girl as well?
Kingston girl.
See, that's what I'm talking about.
But most of my family are from Spanish Town, actually. So.
Spanish Town.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know I don't
Why
really.
are you not saying okay like that?
Spanish Town. Well, make it stay right there, so.
It's a different scenario. You've been in the UK. You've been in here for a couple of days or a couple of weeks. How long have you been into the UK?
Well, I'm there about a week, you know, still, you know, and it's a real good feeling, a good vibe.
How do you find it? Or what's the difference? How do you find it the first time you came off the plane and you saw it's totally different from our side? Because we know what we used to in Jamaica.
Well, the first thing come to mind is, oh, me I go manage that cool, yeah. Right now, see me have on 1,000 shirt, yeah, and jacket and thing.
No, but we inside now.
We go through still.
You can take off your shirt and your jacket in the car. We inside
all
now.
in so that same way, man.
The man's come to the studio.
The only reason why we can't take it off, I'm
Yeah.
not going to take it off. And I tell you right now, my throat, I give me a warm time. But you don't know, Flames set, Diligence and Flames. So we have to there, man.
And the flames is burning, so that's right.
Yeah,
You're going
man,
to catch a fire.
Really?
Well, he's properly dressed and you can see he's properly prepared for the winter. I will like that because I was like you when I just come as well.
Right, man, for real.
Whole heap of different coats. Today I'm at work and we have about 3 different coats. So I'm not ashamed of saying it.
It's real cool, man. Real cool. For me, it's real cool.
That's
But
right.
as I say,
Yeah.
it's a different experience, you know what I mean? I will still give thanks, because enough people still want to come, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Reach, so, you know me there.
So the music now, in terms of the music, you turned a different page because recently we're starting to hear you more in terms of production. Because I hear a few songs, I never used to hear you as much, but something happened.
Well,
what was the change?
it was all about management team, you know, and people always I say Diligence, I put out too much song, and then now when we check the levels is like them never want me to be out there so fast, so they might try to hold back the thing on the levels. Now when we reach around the right people, them must say Diligence, I need to keep up the thing. Don't make people get bored of one song and thing. You know what I mean? You need to put more songs out there and make the people them see the versatility, you know, yo.
Yeah.
And yeah, I do the right thing. Cause I get the right material them too. So
Yeah.
you know, so I have to do the right thing. Be a song I got them, man.
Because you've been recently featured on one of the same beat that my friends on, what's his name again, Progress, One More Life. That
Yeah, man.
song, before I even know you as a person, I heard the song and I played the song before, and then I saw Conscious playing this artist saying that she knows the artist. I'm like, The song sound good.
Yeah, man.
That's how I get to realize that it was actually you, because I actually play the song. Because me as a person like this, I'm gonna be honest with you. When me I mix CDs, I only pick out the best songs of the beat.
Zin.
And if I don't care which artist want vex, if you just don't make the cut, you just don't make the cut.
I saw it go, man. My voice song with people no make the cut still, you know, but
Yeah.
but then you know. So right now when I say that, me understand.
You understand, because it's a business we're doing, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So I did pick one of your songs, that one, and I did pick the progress of the rhythm as two the favorite songs of the rhythm. And I did like it before I actually know anything about you as an artist, and before I even was introduced by Conscious Lady that you knew that she knew the artist. I picked that song, so it's a good song.
Yeah, man. Right now, in Jamaica, right now, that song is one of the songs that is playing a lot on the radio station, giving me a lot of recognition. And I mean, any radio station they go right now, I say Diligence. That is one of the song people are gonna say, oh, I'm singing One More Life. Yeah, man. So big up, Big Laugh Music, big up Sassian Music Records. You don't know, we give thanks for all our support of them same way. One More Life, man. It go on good, so we give thanks.
Yeah, and I know Sassian, and I've seen him before. I think I interviewed him once. I seen him at Pineapple Place.
Yeah, man. Cool place.
Is it the same Sassian?
Yeah, man. See you, man.
See, very small world. Very, very small world. But recently, for the last maybe 6 to 7 months, there's been a recent surge into the dancehall fraternity in Jamaica, where there is more of acceptance of conscious music. I don't know what's happened really, because you find that, as I say, Progress made a little breakthrough. She knows I come up with a couple songs that it's predominantly culture, one drop side. So the music is shifting. Did you think that you benefit from that shift of the music?
Well, it naturally, you know, my general. You know the world is spinning now, so you know, say, time for dancehall, time for that type of music, the time for reggae music, you know what I mean? And right now, to a world I run right now, and everybody see how much killing are going on and thing, they must say, alright, they must find themselves and say, yeah, you know what?
Yeah.
We need to start support some positive music right now, you know. So it just be one of the things them where diligence in the positive world, and everything just start work out for me right now. So as me I say, I just my time I wait for man, and it there, you know. So we just have to give the people them some positive music.
That's right. So you're going to be keeping it to the positive at all times. Do you have any? Are you going to be doing any of them other derogative songs? Because I noticed most of your songs are mostly spiritually lifted. Are you intending to keep it that way, or you probably going to freestyle it up? I don't know. What's your take?
We keep it that way there, you know. Because you can still use the positive music and burn some people same way. Understand? When them do some derogative things, we just stay focused and just do the right thing. And, you know, good over evil. So we always turn out on top. So we keep it positive all the time, man.
Okay, but you see, like it's your first time here for in the UK. I do remember people. This show is sponsored by ROM Beat. It's the only drink that's running the street right now. I've been giving it to all my previous guests to the show, and it's been doing well so far. I don't know if you drink, because I don't know if you're a drinker, so I'm a bit skeptic in asking you if you want to have a try of the ROM Beat. But we try that maybe after the show.
Well, my general over there so offer me some still.
Yeah.
I don't know from you me I get it from, and I go say no, you understand. So it's
all
a
right.
good drink, man. It's a whole vibe. Right? They have a whole vibe with man.
See it? It's having a drink, ROM Beat.
Drink. Yeah, man.
But all right, because it's your first time in the UK, yeah.
Well,
it's not your first time, it's second time.
But you know what go on? The people that beat me, I say the first time, cause the people them just get to recognize who I am. You know what I mean? So everybody I say the first time. Some people say I first time, but
it's actually the second time.
I second time still, but I first time.
Why first time? What we're gonna do here, we're gonna put you in the furnace right now, because T here, anybody come to the show for the very first time, she always put them into this incinerator or trivial questions. So she's gonna be asking you a couple of questions, and we're gonna see how you get along with that. Right? T, you ready?
Me not ready.
She's not ready.
Yeah.
Okay. So you gotta be quick with the questions. No stalling. No thinking about it. Quick. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Well, open my eyes.
Literally. One power you wish you had.
Sorry?
One power you wish you had.
Oh, if you have long life.
Good power. Greatest gift you've ever received.
Love, you know. I have to share it among people.
True. One country you want to visit in the whole world.
Well, I am here. England.
England. Last thing that made you cry.
Losing my loved one.
Who do you want to collab with that you haven't already?
Well, Jay-Z.
Jay-Z's big things.
Yeah.
Big things. He don't even talk to anyone, does he?
That's
You
why.
don't even see
That's
him
why
on
it
social
work
media.
for me. Cause
Yeah,
me
yeah.
want it special.
Twitter, Snapchat, or Instagram?
Yeah, man, both.
All of them. One thing you can't live without.
Food.
Hey, he's thinking about
Every time I ask this question, man, them always be giggling, especially DJ Rick over here.
I don't say anything.
Last thing that made you smile.
Being happy.
Did you imagine you'd be where you are today?
Well, yes. You have to dream it and then it turn reality. So yeah.
What advice would you give your 16-year-old self again?
Just stay cool, think of what I'm doing, keep it positive, and don't rush into things.
Good, good.
See you pass the test. You pass the test. Yeah, he didn't have any silly questions. He didn't have any silly answers. Because some people, yeah. So I think he just about make it. Yeah, you're alright. So what next for Diligence?
Well, I know right now I'm supposed to start work on an EP, you know, with Robert Rex, Wendy Rex, and Conscious Lady, you know what I mean? And we're not to start move towards it yet. But you know, Diligence is a versatile artist. So once them come up with the material and say, we are get them thing out of the way. Yeah. Easy thing. I don't know, I'm blessed, you know, with this talent, so I'm not really worried about nothing at all. So once them ready, I'm ready. I'm born ready, man. So them can look out for the EP still. And right now, ZJ Diamond recently put out a song named Rise, going on good. So we are working on the single right now until the EP ready for start deal with and drop.
Okay, and we wish you all the best. So you're going to be having a very, very successful career, because we can see that the materials that you're putting out right now. You gave me a couple songs. The first one I played was I Know Love. Then I gave you Give You Praise. And the third one, I'm not quite seeing the track title yet, but we're going to be playing it again very shortly. And we can have a rerun of that one. And everyone knows you for that all big one that we had, One More Life Gone.
Definitely, yeah, man.
That is the song that's doing for 2017. Yeah. And should be doing it for 2018. Anything that we haven't heard it before?
Well, all heap of things still, you know, in general, but we don't even know where to start from, you know what I mean? Alright, now we have a new song I work on right now. It named Fate still, you understand? Okay. So that song the more of start the new year. So I can sing a little piece and I still and all a little vibe, right?
That's right.
I've got faith within myself. Whoa, oh. Just say do the little and he will do the rest. Oh yes, I know Jah works must manifest. Oh yes, I know now. So deep down I am blessed. Yo, Flames Radio. I've got faith within myself. Whoa, ow. Just say do the little and he will do the rest. Oh yes, I know Jah works must manifest. Oh yes, I know now. So deep down I am blessed.
I want to give you a little freestyle inside the studio. Anything you want to do, this is your beat. This is Diligent live here in the Upnlive show. Let's go. Don't move a muscle, all right?
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. I tell you about my real friends, them. I tell you about my real friends, them. Yeah. I tell you about the friends, them we stick around. The one them when I treat them like stick around. The one them always be there for you. Not sell you out, not sell you out. So watch out then, make me tell you about the real friends, them what me thinking. Friends will take you out of this slum. When I'm thinking I burn dirty heart and dirty mind. What them thinking, Rastafari, I hail the king. Yeah. True friends be there for you. We'll be there for you. Not let you down when no one is there for you. Rastafari, man, not chat. When I thought this up a Flames Radio, so me tell you this. I know. Jaja will be there, yeah. Oh, wow. Watch out then. I know. The most I will be there for you. Alright, so we turn it up again, drop the bass now against the banner. But fire red, Flames red, turn it up. Yo, Rick, you want the boss, and we not lie. Alright, them can't diss the bubble, cause them can't get me down, I must say. Sick in a the bed, man, a real bubble. You say no, me not key up my head, yeah. Yo, Rick, big up the ice.
I saw what I wanted to do. I just wanted to freestyle. I wanted to continue, but unfortunately, things it's not working how I wanted to work. But before you go, can you just tell people how to find you and find the music online?
Yeah, well, I don't know. You can link up Conscious Lady, you know, on Instagram, you know what I mean? Conscious Lady, Facebook, You know what I mean? Team Conscious, Facebook, Diligence, Diligence_JA on Instagram, Diligence Jamaica. You can link up 452-6381. Put the area code before that, 1876-452-6381. Can link up anytime, man. Big up the item, sir.
And remember, support the music. You can also buy his music on iTunes. And remember, support the music, people. Remember, if you're watching this right here on Flames Radio, you can log on to the website, www.worldmag.com. You can click onto the Upnlive banner. You can see all the previous videos that we've done before. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. All right? This is the Upnlive show each and every Wednesday right here in Flame. Last words before we go. T? What you saying, T? You all right, T?
I'm dying over here.
She's dying.
So I'm very quiet.
T,
Dying.
say something, T.
She's not well. She's not well today.
All right, we see with that.
Thank you very much for passing through the Upnlive show, all right?
Yeah, man, give thanks in our general.
All the best for you in the future. This is Upnlive show. Keep it locked, don't move a muscle.
Yeah, love of them a call Panja.